Whenever you're on camera, do you feel nervous? Is it awkward, uncomfortable? Maybe you don't look forward to filming videos? Keep watching to find out tips on how to get more confident on video. Welcome back to my channel, Pagan here. A few weeks ago, I talked about how to get confident creating videos. Well, this video is about how to get more confident creating videos, but with a routine. Since I already talked about planning and practicing in that last video, we're going to disregard that in this video. We're going to focus on how to get confident on video. Even if you plan and practice, being on camera is still nerve-wracking. That's why I'm going to show you how to get more confident on video. The first thing I'm going to talk about is appearance. I want you to dress how you want to look and feel. So what does that mean? I want you to consider two things. Number one, I want you to feel comfortable and confident. Wear clothes that make you feel like you can take on the world. We all have that outfit that makes us feel like we're invincible. That's what you should be wearing whenever you're filming your videos. Don't wear clothes that make you feel ugly. Ladies, you know what I'm talking about. We all have those moods where we feel like, I don't even care anymore. So we wear like sweats and t-shirts that are 3 times bigger than our size. That happens when we abandon ourselves for work, family, or I guess feelings. Those are the clothes that we wear for battle and to get dirty, not the clothes that we wear when we want to take over the world. The same thing for hair and makeup. I usually don't wear my hair down because I don't really feel that confident with that hairstyle. I feel more confident when I have my hair pulled back like this. The same thing for makeup. Number one, I don't like to go on camera without makeup because it actually makes me look younger than I am. Number two, even though I wear makeup on camera, in the beginning, I was wearing my usual makeup and it was really hard to even tell that I was wearing makeup. So I had to start putting on more makeup to feel more confident on camera. So I had to and will keep updating my makeup routine until I find something that fits. The second thing I want you to consider is your brand. Does your overall look fit your brand? This is an easy fix. You just have to stick to your brand colors or emulate a style that fits your brand. If you don't really know what that is, then I would probably stick to business casual. Another solution is Pinterest. If you're not really good at picking your clothes or styling yourself, then I would create a secret Pinterest board and fill it up with outfits that you think will fit your brand. Then, whenever you have those pictures, you can actually start shopping for outfits that kind of fit that style. And you can just keep trying on clothes until you find the outfits that make you feel comfortable and confident. Next, we're going to create a routine that makes you feel like you're the best. I want you to think about a few things before you create your routine. Number one, what's some of your weak points when it comes to being on camera? Number two, what pumps you up when you're feeling down? Number three, what do you want to accomplish with this? Number four, what's the worst that can happen and how can you prepare for that? So let's start with number one. Let's start with your weak points. I'll give you some examples of mine. So I have a monotone voice. I was stiff on camera. I still think I'm a little stiff on camera. And I have problems with like moving my mouth. Like I have a bad habit of talking through my teeth. I don't know if I'm doing it right now. I still haven't solved 100% of these problems, but I've improved a lot. That's because I had a routine to help me with this. I went online and researched vocal exercises and body exercises that helped with my voice and stiffness. I made these a part of my routine when I first started. I haven't been doing it recently, but I really want to get more exercises for my mouth because I still talk through my teeth. Now think about what pumps you up whenever you're feeling down. For me, that would be music and dancing. No matter how depressed I am, if I put on a fun pop song, I'll start singing and dancing. So find something that you like to do or a hobby or whatever that you like to do that pumps you up and gets you excited, no matter how bad you're feeling. Think about all the goals that you have and why you started creating videos. Write down everything you want to accomplish with creating videos. That could be building brand awareness, building a community, growing your email list, and so on. But really think about the end goal for these videos. Now think about what's the worst that can happen. What are your biggest fears? I like to make a list of everything that's holding me back or everything that I'm afraid of. Then once I finish creating that list, I go back and actually find a solution to each of those fears or problems. When I do this, I realize the worst isn't really that big of a deal. Once you answer all these questions, you can actually start creating your routine to get confident on camera. You can do this routine every time before you officially start filming. Here's my routine. I like to eat ramen with lots of kimchi. This Hang ramen is my favorite brand. For you vegans who can't find any good ramen, this hot and spicy flavor is vegan. The other flavors in this brand aren't vegan. I'm not vegan anymore, but I wanted to let the world know because I had a hard time finding vegan ramen. The kimchi is also vegan, but it's made by my mom. She had to change the recipe when I became a vegetarian when I was younger because it used to be made of anchovies. The reason why I like to eat ramen and kimchi together before I film is because I like that refreshing feeling afterwards. Also, it clears up my throat. It actually helps my voice before I film. Then I like to psych myself out by listening to music. Usually I'm listening to Blackpink and Dancing Around. If I'm not listening to music, then I'll play Just Dance on my Nintendo Wii. I have almost all of them. I find that dancing around or playing the Wii helps with like my body stiffness and it helps energize me. Once you have a routine in place, try it out and start filming. You'll notice the difference right away. Filming will become more fun, or at least not as nerve-wracking. Make sure you lessen your film time by filming in sections. The longer you film, the more draining it is, especially if you're not used to it. If you want to learn more about filming in sections or filming faster, then you can watch that video in the cards above. I don't know if it's on this side, or the description down below. Do you need help creating a script for your videos? Grab your free YouTube script template in the description box down below. So that's it. To be more confident on video, you just need to wear the right armor, create a routine that gets you in the zone, and be prepared whenever you're filming. Do you have a routine that you follow before you film your videos? Let me know in the comments down below. For the next few weeks, I'm going to be covering how to brand your videos. Next week, I'll begin with script writing. So if you want to take your videos to another level, subscribe to my channel for my latest videos. Until next week, bye.